In the last 4 videos, I shared how Revelation 17:3 exposed the Vatican being a church and state combined that sits on 7 hills with scarlet-colored robes, as well as being a blasphemous power, exactly as prophecy said the headquarters of Antichrist will be. In that same prophetic verse, however, is one more prophetic element we need to take a look at that can also be seen fulfilled by the Vatican. Revelation 17:3 says, "So he carried me away in the Spirit into the wilderness, and I saw a woman sit upon a scarlet-colored beast full of names of blasphemy, having 7 heads and 10 horns." In prophecy, a horn is the symbol for a king or kingdom, similar to how a beast equals a nation. One of a few verses that define the horn is actually found in the same chapter of this prophecy. In Revelation 17:12 it says, "And the 10 horns which thou sawest are 10 kings, which have received no kingdom as of yet, but receive power as kings 1 hour with the beast." This verse is a prophetic statement that will be fulfilled very soon. In fact, it will occur in the last 2 weeks of plague number 6. For those of you that would like an in-depth study on this soon-to-be-fulfilled prophecy, see my 1 Hour with the Beast page on my main website. You might also want to view a few videos I made regarding the prophecy of Daniel regarding the 10 toes. And so that all being said, is there any evidence today of a new type of government structure forming, wherein there are 10 kings ruling under the prophesied beast system? Well, check this out. The Club of Rome had its beginnings in April of 1968, when leaders from 10 different countries gathered in Rome. The organization claims to have the solutions for world peace and prosperity. The Club of Rome has been charged with the task of overseeing the regionalization and unification of the entire world. The club's findings and recommendations are published from time to time in special, highly confidential reports, which are sent to the power elite to be implemented. On 17 September of 1973, the club released one such report entitled Regionalized and Adaptive Model of the Global World System. The document reveals that the club has divided the world into 10 political economic regions, which it refers to as kingdoms. Well, the Bible says 10 kingdoms will gather as a one world government under the rule of the Vatican in what they now call the New World Order, which, by the way, was first declared as such by Roman Catholic Emperor Adolf Hitler. And if you've been watching, as Christ commands his people will do when we get this close to the end, you would have seen many times in the last few years how certain political leaders have been pushing the narrative towards this end. They have even gone so far as to post a new world map wherein all the world has been separated into 10 separate kingdoms, just as the prophecy said. As I showed in my September 2000 Truth Provided newsletter, the Pope has been elected to be the one that will lead this long prophesied one world government, wherein he will rule over 10 kings. Prophecy fulfilled. Thank you for watching. God bless.